Sunpentown refrigerator model RF334SS repairs. Sunpentown freestanding compact refrigerator with 3.3 cubic feet capacity, 3-wire shelves, right hinge with reversible doors, Energy Star certified, adjustable thermostat, all certification in Saint repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Sunpentown manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Sunpentown appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Diagnosing a dead refrigerator. Pull out the refrigerator if needed and press the plug firmly into the outlet. Check your appliance's electrical cord for damage. Any exposed wire, kinks or cuts in the cord might make the appliance malfunction. If this is the case, do not use the cord and contact a repairman. The extension cord may be damaged or faulty. Plug the refrigerator directly into the outlet. If this solves the problem, replace the faulty extension cord. Try plugging the refrigerator into a different outlet. If this solves the problem, then the problem is with the outlet. Check the current and voltage of the outlet with a multimeter and voltage tester. If you do not know how to work these tools, contact a professional repair technician or electrician. Diagnosing if only the light works. Check your temperature gauge inside the appliance. If the dial was bumped, it could have made it too warm for the refrigerator to turn on. It's important to check both the refrigerator and the freezer temperature settings, because the refrigerator gets its cold from the freezer. A problem with the freezer setting will affect the refrigerator as well. Make sure there's proper airflow around the appliance. Check the space between the walls and the appliance. There should be a 3-inch 76.2 mm gap around the sides of the appliance and at least a 1-inch 25.4 mm gap at the top. This provides airflow needed for the machine to function. Clean the condenser coils with a vacuum or brush. This part helps dissipate heat that could make the appliance act funny. This cleaning should be done with the appliance turned off. You should clean rear-mounted coils once a year and floor coils twice a year. Investigating a refrigerator that isn't cold enough. Check your temperature gauge inside the appliance. The dial could have been bumped, raising the refrigerator's temperature. It's important to check both the refrigerator and the freezer temperature settings, because the refrigerator gets its cold from the freezer. A problem with the freezer setting will affect the refrigerator as well. Inspect the vents. Check the vents between the freezer and refrigerator and the drain tube for debris and ice. Remove debris if needed. This obstruction could be your problem. Test the refrigerator components. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the appliance's various components. These include the door switches, the defrost heater and timer, and the evaporator fan. If any of these parts fail, they could be your problem. Diagnosing a refrigerator that keeps running. Wait a day to see if the problem solves itself. Several factors could cause your refrigerator to temporarily run continuously. If you live in a humid environment, just loaded the refrigerator, or recently adjusted its temperature, it might take a while for the refrigerator to cool completely. It could take 24 hours or possibly more for it to cool. Defrost the freezer in case there's too much ice built up and clean your condenser coils. If there is a build of debris on your condenser coils, they won't be able to efficiently dissipate heat, and the refrigerator will have to constantly cool. If the defroster is faulty, then the evaporator coils will frost over, and the refrigerator will work harder to keep cool. Clean the condenser coils with a vacuum or brush. This part helps dissipate heat, and if it's too dirty, the refrigerator will have to work harder to stay cool. This cleaning should be done with the appliance turned off. You should clean rear-mounted coils once a year and floor coils twice a year.